How to make Instagram notes purple. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. You'll land to the home page. Now, at the top right corner, you're gonna find the message icon. Click on that. At the very top, you're gonna find the section of note. As a newer update of Instagram, now you can convert your Instagram note to the purple color. Let me show you how. Click on Add Note. Now you can type in Happy New Year. Then share it. The note will be converted into the purple color. You can see that. Likewise, you can also use other words such as New Year 2025. Boom, it's 2025. New Year. Or just Happy New Year 2025. It's just that your note must include the words like New Year or 2025. It will be converted into the purple color. Go ahead and use this new Instagram feature and make your Instagram note pop out. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily make your Instagram notes purple. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.